Be ready. Start. In this appeal, the appellant has assailed the resolution of the respondent dated 12 May 1996 withdrawing his enrollment as well as the order of the High Court upholding it. The facts which are considered necessary and relevant for the purpose of disposal of this appeal are the following. Para. After securing LLB in 1975-76, the appellant was appointed as assistant legal by the Himachal Pradesh State Electricity Board. The said post was redesignated as Law Officer Grade 2 in 1978. The board, by its order dated 6 September 1983, allowed the appellant to act as an advocate of the board and also ordered that the expenditure of his getting license from the Bar Council shall be met by the board. His application seeking enrollment was sent by the secretary of the board to the respondent on 13 October 1983. The secretary of the respondent, by letter dated 28 March 1984, informed the board that the office order dated 6 September 1983 of the board did not meet the requirements of the rules and that the appellant should first be designated as a law officer. The respondent also requested the board to send the order of appointment and the terms of such appointment of the appellant. The board, by order dated 11 June 1984, modified the earlier order dated 6 September 1983 and declared the appellant as a law officer of the board. On 5 July 1984, another order was passed by the board by changing the designation of the post of Law Officer Grade 2 as Law Officer. It is therefore the respondent issued a certificate of enrollment dated 9 July 1984 to the appellant. By office order dated 8 May 1991, the appellant was given ad hoc promotion to the post of Under Secretary Legal cum Law Officer, which order also stated that he would continue to work in the legal cell of the Secretariat of the Board. Further, on 14 January 1993, he was promoted as Under Secretary Legal cum Law Officer on officiating basis. Para. By its communication dated 13 September 1993, the respondent called upon the appellant to appear before the committee on 28 September 1993 along with all connected documents / evidence in regard to his enrollment as an advocate. The said communication indicated that in the meeting held on 10 July 1993, the respondent considered the matter regarding enrollment of certain law officers and decided to constitute a committee to examine the same. Thereafter, on 27 December 1993, a show cause notice was sent to the appellant requiring him to explain as to why his enrollment number HIM/34 1984 issued to him be not withdrawn. Reply to the said show cause notice was to reach by 30 December 1993. After taking extension of time twice, the appellant sent a communication on 25 February 1994, stating that there was no ground for withdrawal of his enrollment, reserving his right to file a detailed reply. He also stated that he would like to be represented by an advocate. The appellant was promoted as Deputy Secretary, Legal cum Law Officer on ad hoc basis by the office order of the board dated 30 January 1995, and he was required to continue to work in the legal cell. In the meeting held on 12 May 1996, the respondent passed a resolution unanimously withdrawing the enrollment of the appellant with immediate effect and directed him to surrender the enrollment certificate within 15 days therefrom. The relevant and material part of the resolution reads: Para. Shri Satish Sharma is a permanent employee of the Himachal Pradesh State Electricity Board, and presently he is holding the post of Deputy Secretary in the Himachal Pradesh State Electricity Board and is in continuous employment of the Himachal Pradesh State Electricity Board, and under Rule 49 he is debarred to be an advocate. Moreover, he was enrolled as an advocate initially when he was appointed as law officer. Thereafter, he had been getting promotions and working as assistant secretary / deputy secretary in the Himachal Pradesh State Electricity Board. In fact, he was required to intimate the said fact to the Bar Council immediately on promotion and should have surrendered the license, but he failed to do so. Under these circumstances, there is no justification to retain Shri Satish Sharma on the roll of the Bar Council as an advocate. It is thus resolved that the enrollment number HIM/45/1984 be and is hereby withdrawn with immediate effect, and he is ordered to surrender his enrollment certificate within a period of 15 days. It is this resolution, validity and correctness of which was challenged by the appellant before the High Court.